Keeping your lawn looking sharp takes more than just mowing, trimming, and watering. Eventually, you'll need to replace some grass patches or swap out those old pathway lights. And let's be honest, sometimes you get that itch to add something new that'll make your garden pop, even when you're working with limited square footage. That's why we've put together 10 awesome ideas to help you maintain and transform your small lawn. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our latest releases. Number 10, illuminate your yard with Cedar Cube landscape lights. Want to brighten up your lawn without breaking the bank? Solar landscape lights are your friend. Except for one annoying problem. Those flimsy ground spikes snap way too easily. But don't worry, we've got a fix that'll make them actually last. Here's what you'll need. Some cedar cubes and 4x4 pillars. Grab your drill and make holes in the tops. Just match the diameter and depth to those little protrusions at the base of your lights. Give everything a nice coat of stain, then get creative by stacking and gluing 4 different sized cedar blocks together. Once the glue's dried, pop in your lights and arrange them around your garden wherever they'll look best. Pro tip, when those solar cells get foggy over time, just carefully brush on some lacquer to restore their clarity. Number 9, a DIY garden fountain idea for your small lawn. Here's your game plan. Apply silicone caulk around the drain hole of the large ceramic pot and the drain stopper. Firmly press the stopper into the hole, then caulk around its edges. After an hour, seal around the stoppers from the underside without pushing them loose. Let the caulk dry overnight. Drill a 1 1/8 inch hole in the center of a plastic saucer and position it inside the large pot. Invert a plastic pot, 7 to 8 inches tall, for the pump to rest on. Fill the large pot with water, center the pump, and extend the tubes through the saucer's hole. Place the smaller pot on the saucer, ensuring the extension tube is positioned properly. Install your preferred nozzle, add clean rocks in both pots, then plug in the fountain and adjust as needed. Done! Number 8, how to start a new lawn for the first time. First up, you'll need to clear out the area you're transforming. Once that's done, spread some fertilizer or compost over the soil, then grab a sod roller to get everything nice and flat. Think of it like frosting a cake, but way less delicious. Step 2 is all about laying that sod. Here's the trick. Start from your walkway and work your way out, making sure each piece butts right up against the next one. No gaps allowed. Third, roll over your freshly laid sod with that sod roller again. This ensures the bottom of each piece makes solid contact with the soil underneath. It's like tucking in your lawn for a good night's sleep. Finally, commit to watering twice daily for the next couple of weeks. Number 7, go bold with a circular lawn design. Let's get geometric. Grab a stick and plant it dead center in your lawn, then tie a rope to it. Attach the other end to a can of spray paint. You've basically just made a giant compass. Now comes the fun part. Pull that rope tight and walk around the perimeter while spraying. Boom, you've got yourself a perfect circle. Next, remove all the turf outside your newly painted circle. Congratulations, you now have a circular lawn that'll make your neighbors do a double take. To really make it pop, you'll want to edge it properly. Number 6, a checkerboard lawn patio idea. Start by clearing the grass from your patio area and leveling it out as much as possible. Then grab some sticks and twine to map out your checkerboard pattern. You're basically playing tic-tac-toe on a grand scale. Fill the squares where your tiles will go with sand. Then use the back of your rake to pack it down gently. Now for the satisfying part, lay those tiles corner to corner to create that iconic checkerboard design. Stand back and admire your handiwork. Number 5, DIY wire ball lights for your lawn. Glove up and cut your wire into rectangles. Roughly 20 by 12 inches works great. Take one rectangle and roll it into a cylinder by connecting the sides. Now here's where it gets fun. Start pushing and shaping it into a ball. Make sure you leave an opening at the top so you can actually get your lights inside later. Once you've got your wire sphere looking good, tie some twine to it and start wrapping. Keep going until you've achieved the look you're going for. There's no wrong answer here, so get creative. Number 4, a no-fuss lawn alternative idea. Before you start planting thyme all over your yard, you'll need to prep the space properly. Rip out all those perennials and grass, then lay down some weed control fabric or cardboard to keep unwanted plants from crashing your thyme party. Once you've got a clean slate, add a layer of small gravel or grated sand. This helps with drainage so your thyme doesn't end up swimming. Now just plug in your plants about 20 to 30 centimeters apart, and you're golden. Seriously, this might be the easiest lawn upgrade you'll ever do. Number 3, a creative spill the flowers idea for the lawn. Got a broken pot sitting in your garage? Don't toss it. You're about to turn that cracked container into Instagram-worthy garden art. First, pick your pot and make sure the side that'll touch the ground has drainage holes. Nobody wants a soggy flower situation. Next, choose your flowers. And here's a pro tip. Stick to one theme. Succulents work amazingly well for this look. Now prep your spot by loosening up the soil, then lay your container on its side like it just accidentally tipped over. The result? A gorgeous cascade of flowers that looks like nature's own masterpiece. Number 2. Expand your living space with a DIY pea gravel patio idea. When your garden looks this good, you'll actually want to hang out there instead of binge-watching Netflix inside. That's why creating an outdoor living space is totally worth it, even if you're working with a small lawn. Take this pea gravel patio, for example. It's the perfect way to add a cozy seating area where you can actually enjoy your landscape. Start by scouting the perfect spot in your yard. Mark out your patio area using stakes and strings. Think of it as drawing your boundary lines. Clear everything out and dig down so your new patio sits flush with the grass. Nobody wants to trip over an uneven edge while carrying their morning coffee. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1, how to deal with a long and narrow lawn. Rule number 1, break up that long space into different zones. Use pergolas, trellises, plants, flower beds, or paved areas as dividers. They're like room separators for your outdoor space. Garden designers love partitions that give you just a peek at what's coming next, kind of like a teaser trailer for the rest of your yard. Rule number 2, if you're adding any structures or buildings, be strategic about placement. Tuck them into a corner, install tall windows, or go with large doors. This keeps your narrow lawn from feeling even more cramped while still giving you the functional space you need. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.